So you may be in a position where your iPhone calls, you just basically can't hear them whenever you're going through and actually calling them or whatever the case is. Now, if it's only for certain people, then this is probably not a direct, you probably don't have to do anything crazy. But if it's for every single person, like every single person you're calling, you can't hear or whatever the case is, well, what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and double check the earpiece up top. So what this means is with the earpiece, all you want to do is make sure nothing is basically around, surrounding, or covering this specific option. From everything that I've seen, this is probably the number one thing I'd recommend taking a look at. But sometimes that may not end up being the case either. So what you'll have to do is you'll pretty much just understand that if you have any headphones, any Bluetooth device, any speakers, anything like that, connected or have been connected to your device, you want to make sure that nothing is being brought over to those specific, audio devices rather than your earpiece of your device. So here what this means is you want to open up your settings. You want to make your way over to your Bluetooth connection settings right here. And all you want to do is within all these different Bluetooth devices here, you just want to see if there's any that are still connected. So you can see for me, all of them are not connected. But if for some reason one of these things says connected and you don't mean it to be connected, you may just want to go ahead and disconnect from it. That may end up working. Sometimes also if you're using an audio device, sometimes if it's plugged into your audio jack or your lightning port down here, sometimes it may just bring the audio to that specific charger even if though it shouldn't. So that's another thing you may just want to keep a lookout for as well. If none of those things are working, you may just want to go ahead and restart your iPhone. So hold the volume up button and the power button, slide the power off. That may end up fixing it, and you may just need to go ahead and update your iPhone as well. So go and click on General, click on Software Update, update your iPhone, and that may end up fixing it too. So those are a few different things you can do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.